Drone regulations. Before you fly your drone, there are some important rules to keep in mind. These rules are enforced by Transport Canada and should be followed in the same way you obey the rules of the road when driving your car. You must have passed the Transport Canada online drone pilot exam before you fly and receive recurrent training within every 24 months. The drone must be registered with Transport Canada and marked with the registration number. The drone must only be flown in unrestricted airspace. You can use this website to see if your project site includes restricted airspace. For example, you must stay 3 nautical miles away from airports and 1 nautical mile from heliports. Flight in restricted airspace requires an advanced pilot license and authorization from Transport Canada. Drones must be operated with a certified pilot and a visual observer. The visual observer must maintain sight of the drone while watching for air traffic and other hazards. All other aircraft have right-of-way. If a plane or helicopter is nearby during a drone flight, you must either land the drone or decrease altitude to ensure you are not a hazard. Always respect the privacy and safety of others, including wildlife, while flying. Marine wildlife laws prohibit any flight within 100 meters of all marine mammals, including whales, dolphins, sea lions, and sea otters. You must not fly your drone above 120 meters or within 30 meters horizontally of any person that is not on your crew. Stop flying and deal with any situation involving injury to a person, unintended contact with another aircraft, or any time the aircraft has crashed or becomes uncontrollable. You must have a drone manual along with operational and emergency procedures with you on site. Always stay within the manufacturer limitations for the drone and be familiar with those manuals and procedures. When you have completed your flight, fill in your flight log and maintenance records. The Canada drone regulations can be found here.